Welcome to our complete guide on connecting your Verizon remote to your TV. Whether you just got a new TV or want to understand how to make your remote work seamlessly, we've got you covered. First, let's discuss which TV brands and models are compatible with your Verizon remote. You can use it with popular brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, and others. If your TV is among these, you're in luck. Before we begin connecting, make sure your remote is ready. Insert fresh batteries to ensure it works properly. A quick battery check can save you time. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how to pair your Verizon remote with your TV. Follow these simple steps for a successful connection. Encountering issues? Don't worry. Here are some common problems and how to troubleshoot them. From pairing failures to unresponsive remotes, we've got solutions. Every Verizon remote comes packed with features. Let's explore the TV, button, and other functionalities to enhance your viewing experience. After connecting your remote, consider adjusting some settings for an optimized viewing experience. Let's cover those options now. Have more than one device? No problem. Learn how to manage them all with your Verizon remote effectively. Streamlining your devices has never been easier. To wrap up, we recap the most critical points to successfully connect your Verizon remote to your TV. Remember, the right preparation and steps make all the difference.